So here is a recap of a trade I took earlier today on AMD. As we can see here, AMD opened with what we call a gap down, meaning that the opening price of today was lower than the closing price of yesterday. And typically when you have a gap down, we do attempt to fill that gap either today or at some point in the future. Right after the first 15 minute, AMD was experiencing a pullback. We broke that downtrend and we were off to the races. Of course, when you look at a trade like this, you don't take it in a vacuum. You want to keep an eye on other stocks that are in the same sector, like an NVIDIA, like a TSM. And of course, you want to have your eyes on QQQ, which is the aggregate of Nasdaq 100. We're looking at these on a 5 minute, and we're going to quickly transition to look at the same trade on the 15-minute chart, and that is going to be a little bit much more clearer and simpler for us to digest. Here on the 15-minute, we're gonna see AMD, of course, with that same gap down. But the second 15-minute shows off what we call a consolidation. Typically, you can take a break of that inside candle to the upside. At the point of that break, the contracts of today, expiring today, the 177.50 put was trading for about $1.19, which is $119. And by the time we got to our target, in the upside, those same contract was between $3 and $3.60. So of course, while this can go to zero, whatever you have invested, you can also have about 140% return like I did this morning. Thank you.